Royal Saudi Air Force, fighter jets, special mission jets, helicopters and trainer jets. Fighter jets. Eurofighter Typhoon, role, multi-role aircraft, in service, 72. F-15A, Strike Eagle, role, strike fighter, in service, 136. F-15, Eagle role, air superiority fighter, in service, 62. Panavia, Tornado, role, multi-role aircraft, in service, 81. Special mission jets. Boeing, E-3 Sentry, role, airborne early warning and control, in service, 6. Saab, 2000, role, airborne early warning and control, in service, 2. Helicopters. Bell, 212, role, utility helicopter, in service, 24. Bell, 412, role, utility helicopter, in service, 16. Sikorsky, UH-60, role, utility helicopter, in service, 2. Eurocopter, AS-332, role, search and rescue, in service, 11. Trainer jets. F-15, Eagle, role, conversion trainer, in service, 21. Systems, Hawk 65A, role, advanced trainer, in service, 68. Pilatus, PC-21, role, advanced trainer, in service, 55. Cirrus, SR-22, role, basic trainer, in service, 25. POC, Super Mushshak, role, primary trainer, in service, 20. On orders. F-15A, Strike Eagle, role, strike fighter, on order, 5. Systems, Hawk 65A, role, advanced trainer, on order, 21. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.